I just made a cinematic commercial in under 90 seconds using only 2 pictures. Watch this.
Give me 10 years back.
Let's make it 20.
And that's not even the crazy part. The crazy part is that this can be done by non-technical people with zero experience. If you can type a sentence, if you can upload pictures to your computer, you can make cinematic quality ads like this and sell them to local businesses. Start a full-time AI business. People are selling these types of ads to local businesses and charging crazy numbers. In this video, I'm going to show you why you have an advantage over all of them. That's not even the craziest part. The craziest part out of all of this is that this can be done within Claude. Yes, Claude, the chatbot. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create these cinematic ads. I'm also going to show you the prompts that I use. And later on, towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways to start complete full-time AI business with this technology today. Not tomorrow, not in 6 weeks, but today. But real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to profit from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal, non-technical people to finally make sense of the crazy, chaotic AI world, and I show you how to make money from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. I'm also giving away 3 free monthly subscriptions to Higgsfield valued at $70 a piece. To enter to win, all you have to do is leave a nice little comment below, and I'm going to be picking random winners from the comment section. YouTube is not associated with this contest. This contest was brought to you by Higgsfield. To make these cinematic commercials, we're going to be using Claude connected to Higgsfield. So make sure you have a Higgsfield account. Sign up to the link in the description below. It's super easy to connect it. Once we're in Claude, and you can use the free plan for Claude, we're going to customize connectors. We're going to click this plus button right here. We're going to add custom connector. We're going to enter this URL. This URL is in the description below, and let's name it something like Higgsfield, and then click add. And that's it. It's added. 5 seconds, 10 seconds later, we're good to go. Okay, let's jump into it, and let me show you exactly how easy it is to start creating these cinematic type commercials. So later on in the video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways to contact businesses and to start an AI business with this service as well. Okay, so let's say we're working with a barbershop in Brooklyn, New York, and they need social media content. They want cinematic ads, and they gave us their logo, and they gave us more or less of an idea of what they want the commercial to be about. So I'm going to upload the logo here. I'm also going to upload 2 pictures. We're going to upload this woman, and we're going to upload a picture of this guy sitting in a barbershop. Now listen, you don't have to upload any pictures. Claude with Higgsfield is so smart that it automatically creates the characters for you. But let's say we want to use these characters in the commercial and we want to use the logo itself. All we have to do is insert the pictures that we want and give it a simple prompt like this. I need you to create with Higgsfield a cinematic 15-second commercial of this guy sitting in a barbershop chair, and he looks directly at the camera and he says something like this: I need you to give me 10 years back. And then the barber looks at the camera, which is this woman, and she says, let's make it 20. And then there's a cinematic, a multi-shot commercial of her cutting his hair, inspirational music, and then the commercial ends, or whatever the case may be. Claude, I trust you. I trust your best judgment. Give me a great commercial. See, that's the thing about this, guys, is you can talk to this like you're talking to your best friend. You don't need to know coding or Python or JavaScript. You basically have a conversation with it, and it creates full cinematic quality videos. Let's run that commercial again.
Give me 10 years back.
Let's make it 20.
Before we get into the next demo, I just want to give you a quick reminder of why this technology is so powerful. 99% of the world doesn't know that you can make cinematic quality ads in a single prompt with Higgsfield and Claude, which means they think that they still need to spend thousands of dollars on studios and photographers and editors and the whole nine. They don't know that this exists, which means that you have the first mover advantage. All right. I'm getting super excited because this next one, I'm a huge fan of restaurants. I've owned a couple of restaurants in my life, and I just love pizza restaurants, especially local pizza restaurants. There's something about them. There's like a vibe, a vibration. Anyways, so we're working with a local pizza place called Tony's Pizzeria. And Tony sent me 2 photos. He sent me a picture of the front of his pizzeria, and he sent me a picture of part of the interior of the restaurant. We're going to feed those 2 pictures into Claude and have it create an entire cinematic commercial around 2 pictures and a single prompt. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, the 2 pictures are uploaded. Now, remember what we talked about before. This is not hard. Let's keep it as simple as possible. We're talking to Claude like we're talking to a friend. So let's say something like this. I need you to take Tony's Pizzeria. I need you to make it sunset with snow outside. A slow zoom into the door, and I need you to enter inside of the restaurant with the camera and zoom around to the interior of the restaurant with the fire roaring, people having a good time, drinking beer, drinking iced tea, eating pizza, and the camera zooms into a table where a family is having dinner, having a good time. Perfect. That's all it took, was a simple prompt like that. And again, you don't need to be a director. Just talk to this like you're talking to a friend. Let's click run and see what it gives us. Okay, let's mix it up a little bit. Let's say we're working with a business who needs UGC style content. And this girl owns her own small makeup shop in her hometown. She sells makeup and homemade soaps. This is her passion. She has no time to create UGC style videos and film herself and edit and lighting and the whole 9. She just doesn't want to do it. She doesn't know anything about filming or editing or even creating with AI. So she gave us a sample lipstick picture, and she also gave us a picture of herself, a selfie standing in line for a concert. Let's take these 2 pictures and let's make her the star of her own commercial. Here we go.
Another TikTok lipstick. Let's see.
Okay, let's talk about how to actually make money with Higgsfield and Claude, because this is what you came here for. Here's 3 powerful ways to start an AI business today. Method number 1 is local business outreach. This is the highest paying, it's the fastest moving path. So you pick one niche: restaurants, gyms, med spas, doctors, dentists, salons. Build a 20 to 30 business list from Google Maps. Make 3 sample commercials in your pitch deck as well. You can walk in. This is the way that I always recommend because it's the best way to close a deal. Walk in, speak to the owner directly, look them in their eyes and ask them if they need your service. DMs, Facebook, Instagram. There's email. You can cold call. Every channel, as many channels as you can, as many touch points as you can. It's all about volume. If your business relies on clients, you need clients, you have to put out massive volume. Fiverr and Upwork arbitrage. Don't be the cheapest, be the fastest. I think this is where you can win on Fiverr. Is everybody wants everything right now. In 2026, nobody has patience. People have the attention spans of a goldfish, and it's okay. But we can take that and we can use it in our advantage. We know that people want everything right now. There's DoorDash, there's Uber, there's just nobody wants to wait. If you're selling to local businesses and you're putting 1-day delivery time in Fiverr, you're going to get the business. It doesn't matter if you're new. It doesn't matter if you have 4.5 stars. You're going to get the business because there's always going to be somebody out there who's like, you know what? I can't wait 7 days. I need it in 24 hours. 24-hour delivery time in your title. Price slightly under competition. Stack 5-star reviews. Prices rise on their own. Method number 3, and probably my favorite because I've done this for a few years. That's the Faces portfolio channel. This is the long game, and this is what I think you should build your business on. Not specifically YouTube, but just the whole media empire, whatever your niche is. YouTube or IG, only post AI commercials. You can specialize if you want. Tag real local businesses in your captions. Let owners see your work in their feed. There's the 7 touch point rule, which is once people see your face or your content 7 times, they're more likely to buy from you than your competitor. So you always want to be in their feed, whether it's YouTube community posts or YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. You always want to be in on their feed at the top of mind. Inbound leads solve the hardest part of agency life. Faceless creates you inbound leads. Don't forget to leave a nice little comment below for a chance to win a monthly subscription from Higgsfield valued at about $70. YouTube is not associated with this contest. The contest was brought to you by Higgsfield. If you want to try Higgsfield, click on the link in the description below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal, non-technical people to not only make sense of the AI world, but I show you how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.